Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
Hi everyone, today we're celebrating our Arkansas PBS Writers Contest winners. With us today we have our two-time champion from the second grade, the great Eli Smith. Eli won first place last year with his story, The Dinosaur Mystery. This year he won first place again with his story, The Droid 88 and the Giant Space Worm. Eli is 8 years old and lives in Benton, Arkansas. He has many interests as he wants to be a designer, build robots, and write many more stories for us to enjoy. Now introducing the back-to-back champion, Eli Smith.
Hi, I am Eli Smith, and this is my book, The Droid 88 and the Giant Space Worm, by me, Eli Smith. A long time ago, Reed Lane was on a mission to get 88 from one planet to another, but they ran into an asteroid field. Suddenly, an asteroid knocked 88 off the ship and he landed on a big asteroid. He crash landed on an asteroid and a space worm tried to eat him. He ran and almost fell into a deep hole. He grabbed the space worm's head and it kept him from falling in the hole. Ridge Lane grabbed 88 off the space worm and they ran towards the ship. Rocks began falling from the tunnel and blocked the space worm. They ran to the ship to get 88 safely to the other planet. Finally, the other planet was in sight. The mission was completed. The end.
Welcome, Eli. So, what's it like being a first place winner 2 years in a row?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, I bet. If there was a giant space worm, right, that just appeared out of nowhere right now, what would you do? What would we do?
I'd be like, yikes, and I'd be running as fast as I could.
Same. I'd definitely do the same thing. If there was a space worm, I think we need to know how to defend ourselves, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's the best idea that we make sure we're prepared. So would you want to join me as we go train with lightsabers so we can be ready?
Yes, totally.
Awesome. Let's go do that.